Precast Chalk Talk in Mid-States. We're going to jump into the QC lab, meet Luis, who's going to talk to us about his role here at Mid-States, and see where the day takes us. Come on, let's go take a look. Luis, how are you?
Doing?
Good to see you. Yeah. How long have you been in Mid-States?
Almost 5 years.
5 years, wow. And where did you start when you started here at Mid-States?
I started in second shift production.
Second shift production. So which
Elematic.
product? Elematic. So the halocore line.
Yep.
And how did you grow up through into quality control?
And after 6 months of being here, and I got it being a yellow hat.
Yeah, you love tape measures.
Yeah, I do.
Tape measures and testing concrete.
Yeah.
So, what's the best part about your job now that you love?
Pretty much making sure that everything comes out the way it's supposed to be.
Luis and I are in our Elematic hall where we make our halocore product. I'm standing on a bed that has yet to be cast. Luis is standing on a bed that has just been cast. So he's going to talk to us about initial slip, and initial slip has everything to do with the strand and the way that the strand bonds to the concrete. So I'm standing on this bed. You can see these strands right here have been stressed already. And when you look over here on this finished bed, you can't see the strand because it's been covered by the concrete, but it's down inside in these webs. We've knocked these webs out for a special need on a job site, but we're going to go down to the other end where Luis is going to talk to us about initial slip and how we measure initial slip and why it's important to the quality of the product. So we've got this chucked up, the strand has been stressed, and what we're counting on is that the concrete that's around the strand is going to hold that strand so that when we go to cut and release the tension on the strand won't go back to that original length before it was pre-stressed. So now, Luis, walk us through what it looks like when you check, how you check for initial slip, because initial slip means what?
It means the bonding between the strand and the concrete to start off cutting and stripping the bed.
So if there's initial slip, is that good or bad?
It's bad. We have to write up the piece. We don't want any initial slip.
So we're counting on the strand to be held in place, and if it slips, then that means it's lost some of its tensile strength.
Right.
And the load carrying capacity of the piece is not as high.
Exactly.
So you lose strength if you get strand slip.
Mm-hmm.
So let's take a look. How do you measure initial slip?
We use our jig. The jig is in the same dimension for every dead end bed that we do, and we measure it and line it up with this line over here. So if the tape moved about an eighth, a 16th of an inch, we drew a line right here, and that's how we can tell that it slipped back into the piece. So for every 16th of an inch of initial slip, you lose 10 inches of pre-stress.
Luis, thanks for a great thing, man.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
All right, appreciate it. We'll catch up later.